Hi besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We're best friends. We're complete opposites. Today I have a friend with me in the form of acne.
You do.
Pimple. And Shannon does not.
I do. It's covered.
Oh. It is so hideous. I don't know where
I didn't even notice it until you pointed it out.
Yes, you did.
I did not.
It almost assaulted you. Okay. I can't look at it any further.
So, we're also different in that I do hair things and Jen does not.
It's true.
So, we have the latest Trendmood box. This was an Olaplex
takeover. Yeah.
So, Jen decided to skip it because hair care in a box is not her thing.
No.
So,
beautiful.
they made special boxes even. Which also, look at...
And she looks like me with my hair.
Mm-hmm.
So that's interesting to me.
Trendmood packages their boxes real nicely.
Very beautiful. Always.
Let's get in here.
Let's
this box
do it.
was $58. If you use code Trendmood, you save 10%. They always base... Is it Trendmood or Trendmood 10? I don't know. They use the same code every time. So you can always get 10% off.
Yeah.
And these boxes usually sell out pretty quickly.
Yes. If you get the text or your friend tells you to go, do not waste time because you'll blink and it's over.
Do not collect $200.
Do not take a nap. You will go without.
Jen is speaking from experience.
Yeah.
So let's get in here and see what all there's. So there's
Packaged beautifully.
I mean, this doesn't look like a lot for $60, but it's not cheap hair care.
No, and Olaplex is a really good brand. My mother-in-law is a hairstylist, and she uses a lot of this.
I have not used a lot of Olaplex.
Call it what you want, girl.
Because of the price point.
Yeah.
Like,
it's not drugstore affordable.
No.
You're going to Ulta and you're spending a lot.
You're spending
on a single
$60
item.
to get a shampoo and a conditioner.
Yeah.
Basically. Which...
Look at here.
This is the Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Repairs.
I think you should go check on that.
Sir, what are you doing? You're not even the one that's naughty. Oh.
I just heard Fireball run away and whine about it.
This is the Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Repairs, strengthens, and nourishes all hair types. Which is why Jen would lean away from this. Because products for all hair types generally
don't mean me.
Aren't great for people with coily hair. Use every time you shampoo or after rinsing Olaplex No. 3 Hair Perfector from hair. Lather, rinse. Follow with Olaplex No. 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner.
So I forget that Olaplex is like a system.
Yeah.
Like a numerical system.
You're supposed... I probably should have started with a different product because... So their products are numbered. This is No. 4. The conditioner's No. 5. They're meant to use in order.
Yeah.
That being said, I also have No. 3. This is the Olaplex Hair Perfector. Repairs and strengthens all hair types. Use 1 time a week. For damaged hair, 2 to 3 times per week. Apply on damp towel, dry hair. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until hair is thoroughly saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes. Longer if desired. Shampoo with No. 4 and condition with No. 5.
Okay. So with that said, I'm wondering what 1 and 2 steps are. What could possibly come before a pre-wash and then a shampoo and then a condition? Like,
it may be a styling situation. Like the heat there's a herd of elephants.
There certainly is.
A heat protector, I would have to look, but I know the like shampoo system starts 3, 4, 5.
Okay. And that's kind of what they did for you here.
Yes.
Okay.
And then there's number 7, the bonding oil boosts shine, strengthens, and repairs all hair types, reduces frizz and flyaways, extends color, renews vibrancy, heat protection, shortens drying time, softens and detangles, no residue, color safe, yada yada yada. Apply a small amount to damper dry hair, style is desired. This is not a very big.
No, I'm wondering what the cost of that is.
Google that. It's just a cute little bottle of oil. I mean, you probably only need a few drops.
Yeah.
Apply a small amount. So
Olaplex number what?
bonding oil.
Oops.
So at Sephora,
$30.
for that little bottle, because that's full size, right? Pull that back up. Because I think it is 30
millimeters.
So this is full size for $30. It better be magic for your hair.
Yeah, that wouldn't go very far for me. I've got a lot of hair, and that...
We'll see how far it goes. Okay, we also have Olaplex number 8, Bond Intense Moisture Mask. I do love a hair mask.
Yes, you do.
Moisturizes, smooths, adds body and shine for all hair types. Infused with their patented Olaplex blonde building technologies. Apply to clean, damp hair mid-length to ends. Use sparingly on the roots. Work through with fingers. Leave on for 10 minutes. Rinse fully. Style as usual. Use weekly. So it's number 8. So I'm excited to try these.
3, 4, 5, 7, and 8.
3, 4, 5, 7, and 8. So we don't.
Okay.
I don't know what 6 is. I don't know what 1 and 2 are.
Okay.
But this is a pretty good. I would call this a hair regimen.
I would. Yeah.
So I'm gonna save all of these until it's
Are you gonna try to do them at the same time?
I'm gonna try and use them all at the same time to
I
see
would
if
too.
their process is all the.
To see if one enhances the other, like to see if it works as a system.
See if I suddenly have supermodel hair.
Ooh.
And I'm sure at some point they'll be in the empties video.
Yeah.
So I'm excited. I know this is not your journey.
It's not, but I'm excited for you because I know you love this.
I love hair care. They announced they were doing this takeover, and I sent it to Jen, and she's like, "No, I'm good." And I was like, "I'm going in, 100%, no questions asked. I'm going in because I haven't tried their products."
Yeah.
And I know, like, this is $30.
That's literally 2/3 of the box. That little oil situation.
The box was $58, so this is half the box.
Oh, okay. I don't know why I thought it was $48.
This, well, no, it was $58, I think. So this is probably the cost of the box, and I got
everything for free.
Everything else for free. So I'm excited. I'm excited to see what it does for me. I am hoping I don't fall in love with it.
Oh my goodness. Here we go.
This is a little bit, to just buy the things individually is a little more pricey.
But let's be honest. If you walk away with supermodel hair, there are some items that are worth the purchase.
Right. And I'll find out if these were.
Yeah. That's a scary feeling.
Did you get this box? Did you skip it because you're not into hair care? Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring the ding-a-ling.
Ding-a-ling.
We will see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.